Hi everybody, it's Lori from Dee's, and today we are going to work on two different things that are very similar. We're going to make an accent bow and we're going to show you a blueberry and lemon swag. So when life hands you lemons, let's make some floral. So the first kit is this one. This is a really pretty pick. This is brand new. It is absolutely amazing. Just look at the different look at the greenery on it and the textures, the sticks. These are a little bit darker blueberry here. They're a little more to a navy, and it has the little white flowers. So this is a beautiful pick that can be used alone. It's got a lot of fullness to it. So in this kit, of course, you are going to receive your ribbons. So this is some pretty ribbon here. This is a green with a blueberry stem mixed in it, the blue gingham, and we have a little yellow dot that we're going to accent with. So as always with your bows, you're going to want to trim your stem off. Get your wire cutters out, and we're going to trim a little bit of this end off here. And then you always want to go back on these paper wrap stems, and you either want to put your glue gun, put a little bit of glue on there. My glue's not real hot in this pot yet, but you want to seal that off so that it doesn't come apart. So while that's setting up, we're just going to create this bow. So leave a little tail up there and just pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And we're going to add in this blue gingham. And these are just really fun. I like the look of them because it's nice, crisp, and clean looking. And then we're going to add that little swatch. So that is just a nice way, just a little swatch. It's about a third of ribbon. Just to add an extra little color into things is a great way to do that. And we're going to wire this off. And of course, as always, with your picks, you want to make sure you go in and you fluff them up. I'm going to remove this tag. I tried to pull it off, but this is a strong little tag, so you're going to have to cut that one off. And then we're just going to add our bow right into this. And you can use this accent bow on anything. You can use it on your lantern. You can lay it in a bookcase. You can add it to a wreath if you want. This one is a little bit smaller, but it does have a lot going on. So the fullness is amazing, not to mention those lemons. So you could add this right to your lantern, and you have a beautiful accent bow. So this will be on Shop Dee's Louisville, and this will be listed under Blueberries and Lemon Accent Bow. So next, sticking with the blueberry and lemon theme, we're going with a little bit different shade of blue. This is a little bit brighter, but in this kit, you are going to receive this amazing stem of lemons. This is so pretty. Look at the leaves on that. It's just bright, colorful, and we're going to trim off some of the stem. So this is a plastic stem, so you're not going to have to worry about dipping that one. And then look at these amazing sunflowers in this white tone. They are gorgeous. And I'm just going to kind of lay that in there to kind of get a length. And again, we're just going to trim this off. And this stem is not a paper wrap stem either, so we don't have to worry about dipping that one. And then we have our beautiful dewberries. And this blue is slightly different coloring than the original that we just did. It's a little bit brighter, so it's very fun. And all we're going to do is just lay these three stems together like so. Just like so. And then we can go back and fluff our stems and our flowers and our berries up. So we have that. All three pieces are laid together. And then, of course, we have this amazing ribbon. So we have this beautiful lemon ribbon. And again, I always like to leave the little tail. It just adds a little something to stick up when you're making your bow. And twist and pinch and gather. This is bright. It's so crisp. I just love the whole look of this. We're going to take this little dotted Swiss ribbon and again, do the same thing. Make your loop, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And on this, we've given you enough ribbon so you're going to have some long tails. So you're going to be able to do other things with this. And then the chinois ribbon is absolutely beautiful. I love it. It does run a little bit more than a lot of the ribbons. So we're just using, again, just like a third of a piece. And it just changes the whole look of your bow when you add in an accent like that. So we're just going to wire this off. Pull that wire nice and tight. And then we are going to go in here and add this right in. You can add this at the bottom. You could add it at the top. I'll just put it down here towards the bottom a little bit. And, of course, the most important part is trimming those tails. And then you can go back and kind of maneuver your pieces around and fluff those up. So we're going to put those pretty little V-cuts in here. Just fold those wire edges together. And then just trim out that little V. And we have a beautiful swag piece. So what is so nice about this piece is it's a little larger than what you would normally do for what we would call an accent bow. So this would be perfect to, you could lay this on your mantle, you could lay it on a table, you can tuck in your candle holders, you could add, you know, whatever you want to. I just grabbed this. I've got these cute little topiary balls that can just sit right up here on these candlesticks. But how cute is that? Just to lay as a nice table piece. Or, of course, if you have a larger lantern, this could be an accent piece on a lantern. But you could also take this and attach it to a wreath. Now, this wreath is available on our site, and I love it on this white painted grapevine. It's so crisp. It's so clean. It would look amazing in a kitchen, on your door, anywhere. And those wreaths are available also on our site at shopdeeslouisville.com. But you can see, you just wire that right on, and you'll have a beautiful, crisp, and clean new wreath. So this will be listed on shopdeeslouisville.com as the blueberry and lemon swag. So check these out and more at shopdeeslouisville.com.